Hello, my name is Mona. In this video, I will show you how to fix a blocked valve disc of the OMNIS cylinder unit. The valve disc can become blocked if the cylinder unit has not been used in a while. In such a case, please do not repeatedly use the manual control commands such as init or prepare. This might destroy the valve disc. This is what a destroyed valve disc looks like. Instead of using manual control commands, remove all tubing from the cylinder unit and disconnect the cylinder unit from the titrator. Dismantle the green housing and soak the cylinder element in warm water for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, carefully try to separate the valve disc from the distributor. If this is not possible, soak the cylinder element again in warm water. Once separated, dismantle the centering tube and thoroughly rinse all parts with deionized water. It is very important that neither the piston nor the bottom plate are separated from the glass cylinder, as otherwise these parts might become damaged and start leaking. Then, completely dry all parts in a stream of nitrogen or air. Afterwards, grease your cylinder unit. I show you how this is done in another video. Finally, assemble the cylinder unit. Mount the centering tube onto the bottom plate. Align the marking on the cylinder element with the marking of the distributor. Cover the cylinder element with the housing and make sure the markings are aligned. Rotate the cylinder housing to the left until it snaps into place. Then mount the cylinder unit on the titrator and initialize it via manual control. As a last tip, we strongly recommend always storing the cylinder unit in exchange position when not in use. Then you can easily disconnect it from the titrator. With this procedure, you can unblock the valve disc of your OMNIS cylinder unit. Thanks for watching.